Hi, I'm Anhua Chung, Communications Officer at Mercator Ocean International. As a journalist covering a marine heat wave, you may be looking for high-resolution images and animations to bring your articles or your video segments to life. Or perhaps you want to explore sea surface temperature changes at global or regional scales. This tutorial will show you how to do all of that using the Copernicus Marine MyOcean Pro viewer powered by Mercator Ocean International. First, click on the link in the video description, Copernicus Marine. You'll have access to a ready-to-use visualization of sea surface temperatures anomalies. What are these anomalies? When speaking about sea surface temperatures, scientists and oceanographers often use temperature anomalies to show trends and changes rather than absolute temperatures. A temperature anomaly simply means the difference between the current temperature and the long-term average for that location and time of year. On this visualization, red means warmer than average, blue means cooler than average. Looking at anomalies allows us to see how unusual current conditions are. By focusing on anomalies, we spot warming or cooling events, we better understand climate trends over short and long periods, and we avoid the misleading comparisons between very different regions. Now, let's take a closer look at sea surface temperature anomalies in the Mediterranean Sea, one of Europe's warming hotspots. Use your mouse and scroll wheel to explore the viewer and zoom in. Left-click on any location to display its precise temperature anomaly. 3 graphs will appear. You can delete the bottom one for clarity, and then using your scroll wheel, zoom in on the timeline to view data at an hourly resolution. If you want to extract the visuals from the viewer, you can now customize the color palette to better fit your needs. Click on the cogwheel and choose an option. Finally, to export a high-resolution image, click on the Settings button on the bottom right corner. If you haven't done so yet, you'll need to log in or create an account with the Copernicus Marine service to access this feature. Once logged in, select x3 resolution and close this window. Now, click on the Share icon on the top left of the screen. Under the Image tab, push the Download button and you now have a high-resolution image displaying sea surface temperature anomalies in the Mediterranean Sea for today. You can also get forecasts for up to 10 days ahead. To generate a time-based animation, click on the Video tab. Simply choose a time frame, a periodicity, format and duration and click Generate Video. Feel free to try different settings. Generating an animation may take a few minutes or more, depending on its duration. This concludes our quick tutorial on using the Copernicus Marine MyOcean Pro viewer to illustrate your content on sea surface temperatures and marine heat waves. If you are interested in delving deeper into Copernicus Marine Service catalog of data, with variables such as sea ice cover or waves, you can click on the Fish button in the top right corner. This will bring you to the Copernicus Marine Service homepage, and from here, choose the Ocean Visualization menu. On this menu, you'll be able to use either the simplified and accessible MyOcean Lite viewer or MyOceanPro viewer with our full data catalog. And for scientific analysis and forecasts, you can access our ocean bulletins on the Mercator Ocean's website. Please see the link to our tutorial in this description. Thank you for watching.